Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Burlington, we have the 2020 Porsche Taycan S. This one has the PCCB, Porsche carbon ceramic brakes. I don't even want, actually I'll be able to see on the window sticker what the option costs. Carbon fiber kick plate, Burmeister sound. Oh. I think, where is it? Is this one? Yes. Panoramic sunroof. Did the Taycan come with PCCB? It must have. Jet black over black interior. Burmeister was 5,800. Yeah, that makes sense. Huh. 750 horsepower. That's insane. $207,900 total price as equipped. Yes, that's a lot. Did that before. Do that. Stay in there. All right. Love the little noises. I have electric sport sound engaged too. What on earth? What on all things holy, man? Yes, I know you're acting up. Before we hit traffic. All right, now we get to see how the Taycan does in traffic. That error, I knew it existed. This one's been sitting for a little bit, so they said it might be a little low on coolant. They don't know. This is the demonstrator, so. Not coolant. I don't know how it works, honestly. What's so weird is I wish I could just go in that lane, but I can't because it ends and then what I need to take for the exit comes up right after that. This thing is just insane. That's how you do it. No, 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 no. This is annoying as all can be. Worst part is, once this lane ends, we fly. So, if you want to skip through this, you know, on the video, I'll probably put it in the comments pinned, is how to skip through the traffic jam. Alright, now that we're out of it, we can start to talk more about how this car drives. It's sensational. Coming from someone who's been in the Model S a ton, it just drives better. It drives way better. Also coming from someone who's like, long live gasoline and all that stuff. I hate to say it, this is really, really good. Will you stop it? I wouldn't be surprised if just dirt and dust got into the fans or whatever. Let me tell you, the first time you do it, it hurts. First time you floor that accelerator, man, it hurts. It's painful. Love all the little noises it makes. Going to range mode automatically. So this is where, I mean, anybody who buys Turbo S Taycan is not going to drive it at range. What a machine, guys. What a machine. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.